Dis bonjour.
Bonjour.
My new favorite couple.
Sarah help.
Yeah, you help me. Do it. No? No? Hi, sis. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You have to do that, good night. It's a brand new day, and I am up. No, you won't use the knife, okay? It's dangerous, okay?
Okay.
I am up making breakfast for the crew. I'm making porridge with banana and oats this morning. And kids are up. Say hello, Faye. And this is the girl telling me she needs tangerine and kiwi. So I'm making it for her after she drank her milk. Tyler is here watching Naruto. Tyler, look up and say hello to the face. Look, go beside your sister. You'll see them.
Hello, fish. Mama, is it already soon ready?
Soon. When it's ready, I'll take out yours so it's cool, okay?
Sure.
Okay?
Yes, Mama.
Anyway, you guys, my friends are here. They're still laying down. They're awake though, so I'm finishing up breakfast.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
You guys didn't get to see them yesterday. I think you see Natasha big.
Cut it?
Yes. Because we went to...
Help, please.
No, you can't cut it. It's dangerous. It'll hurt you, okay? The knife will hurt you. We went to town last night to surprise Tashika, and Tashika almost had a heart attack.
Cut it.
But that was cool. I needed to vlog along the way. Because you were chatting and catching up, I completely forget about the camera. Sorry, you guys. But you guys will see a better view of Tasha later because she'll be here for the rest of the day until the afternoon. So you guys will get to see her. Anyway, guys, enjoy today's vlog. Have a good day. And I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Okay, you want a fork?
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Mama.
Okay, get down and go by the table. Tella, can you give her chair at the table down there, please? Here, take this. Put it on the table. And give her chair down there. My new favorite couple. Look at them, all teeth.
All teeth.
Oui.
Ready for breakfast.
Who's that?
Why are you in jacket? Why are you in sweater? Why are you in sweater? Come here. Come here. He said to leave him alone and bothered him because in here is hot and he's in sweater. What do you want? Leave it. No. No. Hey. Put it back. Come on. She says she don't have on any makeup. She shy today.
Makeup.
Oh no. Oui.
Le dentifrice à l'époque. Il n'y est plus, hein.
Regarde Léline. Oups. Mais c'est parce que tu utilises pas de... Non, ça va. Allez.
We're gonna get a screen protector. That's why
We get the screen protector outside.
well, let me pay my card then.
Yeah, but you would have to go back up. Okay, so go up. I'm gonna stay in the line. You go up, try pay by card.
Here, have nice things.
Yeah, trust me, I love strolling through Old Town. Even if I'm not buying anything, to just look. And they always have sale, like these things on the outside. Everywhere. You guys, we're in Old Town. Eh, fais attention.
When I'm going to shop, I'm gonna come back this time.
Yes. We're in Old Town and it's lunch. Oh, well, look at this line. What's so special about this place? Look at this line. Oh my gosh. You see that line? It's lunchtime at a restaurant and people are lining up to buy lunch. But something special about that place, I think, because the line is super long. Met up with Tashika and her kids, but they're gone ahead of us because we wanted to go buy some stuff. And now we're going to jump on the tram, catch up with them, and go home to get Tasha hair done. To get Natasha hair done. Eh? Don't sit when we go random. Don't, Anela?
She can't melt.
We used to do fast walk life. Natasha don't used to do walking life. Natasha complaining, too much walking.
Too much walking, man.
She can't breathe. Anyway, you guys, we're going to jump on the tram. I'm gonna jump on the tram right now. So I'll catch you guys later.
And then the only
I hear them up in there. Yes, I'm back. Tell me.
so
tell
you
me.
finish already?
Tell me. Tell me.
Eh?
Tell me. Yeah. Tell me.
You still your enjoyer right now.
Then you not get me. You not get me.
You just need time.
She not get you. Tell her to go be Anila. Tell her go be Anila. Tell her war me and go get to her. Exactly.
No, sir. You're
Nah get you. She not get you. Me might get her blind because she not see your feet.
Right.
At first she has she might not wake up blind. You think me get her blind? Get her blind?
Better.
Eh? You think me get her blind? You think me get her blind? Yeah, laugh after girl, yeah. Laugh after girl.
They call your kids and then take off his shirt, you know. You're not doing it. You're sitting on the road. Pass that bite. Back up again.
Hey, hey, hey. Yet, merciful. Me go gain muscle by the time you finish with me. Because you want to stand up at my hand. Man, that's so strong. You know? Take your hand out of your mouth. Take your finger to your mouth. Dig your finger. Dig your finger. Diggy diggy. Diggy diggy. Diggy diggy.
You get far now. Come now, Mary.
How is she a go?
Mary.
How is she a go?
Hey,
How is she a How is she a go?
hey,
Move.
hey.
How is she a go?
Hey.
Attends,
Y'a que toi?
Natacha,
Y'a que toi?
vous avez pas mangé?
Pas encore, non?
Lord. Me I go in the kitchen, man?
Hey. No, but I'm gonna wait a bit.
You never eat for true? Tu veux quoi?
Oh, my
I'll get the
God.
little things before.
Oui, mais...
How are you today?
Tu veux quoi?
How about you?
Mom, there's no food
And
from
Nyla
yesterday.
twin.
What food is there from
And
yesterday?
Nyla twin.
Just find something freezer.
No, is there food from yesterday? I don't know, look.
No, the little pizza pieces.
Oh, that's what you
Box
want.
me?
Box a girl, yes. So you take so long to come to me, girl. Blah, blah. Oh, you take so long to come to me. Blah,
She
blah.
was working. That's why.
Box her up.
Tell her.
Box her
Tell
up.
her. Tanti was away.
L'année prochaine, on reprend la marche.
She was away.
We was
Ouais.
ready. We're ready.
Bah, t'es prête. Non, t'étais
Ah,
pas
mais bien
prête.
sûr.
T'étais pas
Oh,
prête. Tu étais pas prête.
Shoes
She
ready.
got here.
Moi, je prends pas le risque d'aller avec une femme enceinte. Hein.
He was sleeping on Richie.
Je suis pas les comme nécessaire. Hein.
Are we picking them?
Eh oui, à la rentrée.
You don't like sit down?
No.
Ça avance, on prend compte.
Oui, il faut attendre ça
Just like
grandit. Et puis.
Just like our mama.
You girl, you guys, you see who Damian? Why is she here?
Nous, on va essayer.
Why are you here? Why are you here? Me not see Damian for the past 2 months. Why are you here? Why are you here? Where? My friends are here.
Here, what's that?
J'ai dit, j'ai un ami.
Right over there, so the kids in the room. Watch this one, yeah. Look at her.
Randonnée, c'est menton,
She in her element. Her friends are here.
Just know when they're here, they're going home. Going to the road.
Eh?
You're gonna cry just know when they're here, they're going
400.
Hey guys, I'm practicing.
Ooh. I shall revert back to this clip in a bit.
2 semaines et demie.
She's practicing, hinting,
Pamper just now, fixing belly band. Never make
Practicing,
brush
guys.
today.
How am I doing? How am I doing?
You cannot hold her wrong still.
Shut up.
She likes to stand, so that's why.
And Lori, I'm holding herself.
I don't want to sit.
J'ai un ami qui est spécialiste des longs trucs. Mais là, il part 6 mois, lui, parce que lui, c'est long.
So you're a pilot and Naruto all in one, mama? Baby, fix her headband in a tie as you let it go, it fall.
You know that wait for you to come in the kitchen, girl. How do you know?
My girl dressed up, you know.
Anyway, you guys, my day I go on vibes with my friends, so see you guys later. Oh my gosh, you guys, so much happened today. I am so tired. My house was full. You guys got to see a little bit of that, but you guys didn't get to see majority of what happened. I did my friend here. She left because she had to go and catch her train to go back home because she's taking a flight on Monday, so she couldn't stay longer with us. Tashika and her family left, and I'm just so tired. I didn't really sleep well last night. I twisted and turned a lot last night because I slept inside her room and I was anticipating listening out for her while I was sleeping, so that didn't go so well. But yeah, I am here about to make dinner and I'm so tired. Sorry, but I'm not cooking. Bam bam. So tonight dinner is going to be noodles for some people, and then it's gonna be small and sausage for some people. Tyler wants small and sausage, so all I have to do with the small is to put it in a bowl, throw some water on it, leave it for 5 minutes, and it will be done. Take sausage out of the fridge, put it in the microwave or on the stove, and bam, dinner is ready. So that's all I am making for dinner today. The kids played with their friends. They're tired. Sarah haven't napped all day, so she's a bit whiny but a bit quiet at the same time because she's tired. She didn't take her nap, so there she's over there watching Papa phone to keep her quiet because I'm giving the TV a break and I just need some quiet and peace in my ears. And Tyler is around there in his room. So yeah, just to give you guys a little rundown of what went on today. Ow, ow, Sarah, your elbow. Here, take your breath.
Go out or stay in?
I think stay in. Outside cold, no? You guys, you know what time it is right now? 5 minutes before 1 a.m. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Why are you awake? You tell Fave's mouth hurt? Yeah. You guys, her mouth, if you guys can see her lip right here, she said it's hurt, and if you look at it you can see it's kind of swollen. So I don't know what's going on with her lip, but I pick her up for her to stay with me while I'm editing because she's not feeling well. Her brother is sleeping away. He's tired. Though she's tired, but she's not feeling so well. So she's waking up like every 20 minutes and crying. So that's why she's up. And I'm here editing and I'm hungry. I tell babe to give me bread.
No.
She and I ate bread and she asked for more bread. So now she's eating more bread. And baby's about to put laundry on the line. So we're just here. Can you see I'm tired? I've been telling you guys that from the beginning of the vlog. Anyway, you guys, I'm just coming on to end today's vlog. I had a good time with my friends between yesterday and today. And yeah, I had a good time with my friends. We'll go see Natasha while it lasts. So I'm just coming on to end today's vlog. Come say goodbye to the faves, honey. Look at Sarah with her fat lips. You guys haven't seen babe much today, so there he is.
Yeah, still walking at 1 a.m. Still doing stuff for the house. I'm joking. No, I'm not joking. We're having some family times with the baby.
And the bread. And the bread.
I didn't touch the bread.
He didn't touch the bread, but he touched something else. Ask him what he touched. Come. You didn't touch the bread, but you touched what?
One cookie.
One cookie. He's even giving you guys the quantity. One cookie. I wish Tyler was here to end the vlog with us.
The cookie or the bread?
The cookie or the bread? The two of them is just as bad. At 1 a.m. in the morning. The things that we do in this house. Anyway, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed the little bits that I had to show you guys today. Give this video a thumbs up, which I'm sure that you'll do with honor nicely. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys. Sarah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, Fizz.
Bye.
You ready to go to bed?
No.
She said no. You better be.
You did expect her to say yes? I'm putting her right to bed as soon as she finishes eating this bread. Catch her in the bread. Bread sweeter, is it?